My name's Alicia, and I make fashion-related videos and sewing tutorials here on YouTube. So a couple days ago, my computer actually broke down. So for the time being, I'm actually going to use my mom's computer and sort of download this free editing app, but I'm not sure how that's going to go. But in today's video, I'm going to be making a spring floral lookbook using the clothes that are behind me. Hi everyone, so we're switching over to VoiceOver Alley. I'm pretty much staying in my PJs all day because of quarantine, but I still find it fun to dress up and wanted to share with you guys my favorite spring trend, florals. So let's start with outfit number 1. I decided to pair this white top with these super baggy Palazzo pants. The focal point of this look are these pants that sort of look like a skirt. I got these at a thrift store in Japan called Kenji Thrift. They are made out of this silky finish material. They are super comfortable, are so flowy and breezy, just perfect for spring. For the top, I actually made it myself. I just took a white camisole I didn't use anymore and added these lace puff sleeves. To match the white top, I accessorized with this pearl clip from Pomelo fashion and these clear heart earrings from my local pharmacy. So these sort of pants are a bit hard to find, so for an outfit that is more recreatable, I switched the bottoms for a brown A-line skirt. Just by changing the bottoms, the outfit gives a completely different vibe. I love how this top is so versatile. I can mix and match it with so many pants and skirts to create different looks, and I'm really happy that I made it. The only pair of shoes I wear besides my running shoes are my Mary Jane Dr. Martens. I also accessorize using the same earrings and replace the pearl clip with 2 gold hairpins to tie in with the brown skirt. I really love this brown color. I love the suede material because it adds different textures to the outfit. For the third look, I'm changing the vibe completely. Combining the previous skirt with this floral blouse gives off a more fancy and elegant look. I wore these black shoes that I thrifted, but actually never wore them out, so I thought it would be a good idea to use them in this lookbook. For my accessories, I wore these gold rose earrings from Unruh Jewelry and used the same gold hairpins. I tied my hair in a low ponytail because I didn't want to hide the details of this top. I got it from Zara and I love the layered ruffles across the front and of course the puff sleeves. I actually bought this skirt especially to match with the brown flowers of this top. This outfit is perfect to wear at a dinner date or an art museum, and I actually wore this outfit to Montreal's Van Gogh exhibition. For the fourth outfit, I chose my favorite spring dress. I got this from Pomelo fashion and features my favorite, as you may have noticed, puff sleeves. I love the sheer floral fabric, the pastel colors makes it suitable for spring, and the soft lining inside makes it extra comfortable. To stay in the cute vibe, I paired my outfit with some heart earrings from Yes Style and switched out the gold hairpins for some silver ones. Another thing I love to wear recently are these open necklines. I find it so flattering and the little bow detail makes it even cuter. And now to move on to my favorite outfit. I love this ensemble so much. It makes me feel like a prairie girl and just makes me want to twirl around in a valley of flowers. I got this top from Eggie's new collection. I've always wanted something from Jen I Am's brand, and when I saw this blouse, I couldn't pass over it. It has the puff sleeves that I love so much, the open neckline, and the lace trim adds the perfect amount of detail. The corset-like front is something completely new in my closet. To complete the cottage girl look, I paired it with this midi-length beige skirt that I got at a boutique in Japan. I also added a floral bow to tie my hair and the rose earrings. And when quarantine is over, I'll definitely be wearing this look to a picnic. For the sixth and final look, I kept the same blouse because I love it so much, but also to show how you can change the vibe of an outfit just by exchanging one piece of clothing. The previous outfit was cute and innocent, but now I feel like a boss lady. I switched my skirt for some tailored pants that are in the same color tone. I find that the best place to find some good tailored pants are at the thrift store, and that's where I got mine. For accessories, I wore the same rose earrings and left my hair down. Even though the top is very girly, just by adding a pair of pants to it makes the outfit more casual and makes me feel ready to conquer anything. And those were all my spring floral outfits that I wanted to show you guys. And if you want to see more sewing tutorials and fashion videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!